Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to get cash out of an ATM machine with Samsung Pay using your Galaxy Watch. Now, if you haven't set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch just yet, be sure to check out our video that will show you step by step how to set up Samsung Pay on your Galaxy Watch. So the first thing we need to do is, well, actually what I want to do is go ahead and take the watch off my wrist so you can be able to see a little better the steps on how to get cash out of the ATM machine. As you know, this is my Galaxy Watch, and on the side of the watch you have two buttons. You have the bottom button, which is the home button, and the top button here, which is the back button. And so to activate Samsung Pay, what you would do is press the top button, hold it for about 3 seconds. Once you do that, it will take you to a screen where you need to put in a passcode to get to it, and they require a passcode for Samsung Pay when you set it up on your watch, just so that no one can use it if you lay your watch down. So we're gonna put our passcode in real quick. Once the passcode is on, you'll see what it says Samsung Pay, and then it will show your card, and underneath it will say Pay. And so what you need to do now is just tap Pay, and when you tap Pay, there's a status bar that's light blue around the screen that gives you about 60 seconds to make your purchase, or in this case to scan your watch so you can get cash out of the ATM machine. And what you want to do is you want to put your watch up to this symbol here, and that will activate the machine, which is kind of a way of replacing your card by using your watch. So we're going to put that up to the machine like so. It activates the machine. I put the personal PIN number in, and I'm gonna request $20. Now it's asking if I want it in what denomination I want. We say it doesn't matter. We hit that, and now it's asking if we want a receipt. We say yes, and now it's wanting to know if you want to get an email receipt or do you want to get a printed receipt. We're gonna say printed. And so now it's processing our request, and it's giving us our money, which is the $20 here, and it's processing our receipt, and this would be our receipt. So we have our receipt and our $20. So that's about it for our video for today: how to get cash out of an ATM with Samsung Pay using your Galaxy Watch. So hopefully we shared something that you can use as something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.